What about if you want to change the battery on the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2? Well, you do need a little pin to pop it out. It came with it, but if you don't have it, you can use any one that you have that ejects SIM cards, and you'll see a little pinhole right there on the metal part in the middle, and you gotta press this into it. There you go, just press that pretty hard in there, and then you can slide this battery out. Once you take the battery out, you can replace it with another CR2032 battery, which I'll link down below. Here's this end. Once you get your battery, just place it back like this, and then just push it right back in, and it will reboot your device, and you'll be good to go. Again, batteries are linked down below, very easy to take out. Just make sure you have a SIM ejector, and again, one came with this. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you down the road.